Hi, this is Manish from Bay20.education. So in the last video we installed XAMPP as our development environment, and as you can see, if you go to the manage server section, you'll be able to see that the Apache web server is running, and ProFT, PD and MySQL database is not enabled right now. So let's keep it as is. We just need Apache for now. Go to the application folder. Okay, go to htdocs, and here let's create a new folder. Just a second. Let's create a new folder named practice. Let's copy this index.php into this folder. Let's edit it with Sublime Text. I'm using Sublime Text. You can use anything else. Remove this. So whatever we write in PHP, it has to be within the opening and closing tag. So the opening tag is less than question mark PHP, and it closes with question mark greater than sign. And whatever we write in PHP, it has to be within this. When we use PHP with HTML, we use both opening and closing tag, but when you're writing only PHP, you can just remove or leave the closing tag and write here. It will also work. So let's echo something to check whether our XAMPP setup is working or not, and semicolon is used to terminate or end the statement in PHP. Save this, and we'll again go to the application, or just type in localhost. Here we'll put the name of our folder, which is practice, and it should automatically take index.php. you see, and it's printed out hello. So in this particular video we will see a few things that is very important to understand as you're starting with the PHP programming. So the first thing is commenting, code commenting. Code commenting is generally used to specify what we are writing in the code, and it's very important to properly comment your code, your functions, your classes, so that after a few months you would know what exactly you have done. So here just write a comment to explain what you're doing with the code. So in this case we are printing hello. Okay, you can write multi-line comments as well in PHP. For that you need to use this sign, and then you can write like multi-line comment, sorry. Okay, you can use a hash sign as well for the code comment. Okay, and a code comment is not printed on the front end, so you don't need to worry about it. It's just for you or any other developer who will be working after you on this particular setup. As we are starting, we need to know a few things that is very important, and all the functions and keywords, classes and user defined functions, like the functions that we will define, they are all case insensitive. For example, let's write some code here. Echo hello. Okay, terminate this statement. Now let's write it like this. Let's copy and paste this and write it like this. Save this. Let's see what happens on the front end. Let's refresh. So if you see, like you have hello printed out 4 times. It means it does not matter how you write echo, it picks up. But in case of variables, we will discuss about variables in the next video in detail, but just to give you a brief snapshot, we can declare a variable with $sign. So let's say car. Okay, let's declare a variable car and assign its value to Audi. Okay, and let's try to print this variable. So $car, next echo now let's do echo, and now if you try to run this, let's comment out all this code, put it here, save this, comment this as well, refresh. We have made a mistake somewhere. Okay, it says user defined variable car on line 22, so it's giving the error because we have not defined the variable. We've commented that out as well. Let's save it, run it once again. Okay, now it prints out Audi once and then gives error for other two statements. It means variables are case sensitive.